Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add an Edge music visualizer on your Samsung S25 Ultra screen. So the Movies Edge app displays colorful visualizer lights along the edge of your screen whenever music plays. So whether it's from Spotify, YouTube Music, or your local player, you can basically add this stylish effect on your Samsung S25 Ultra screen. So let me show you how to add this Edge music visualizer to your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up your Play Store. In the Play Store, you're searching for the following app called Movies Edge. Go ahead and install this app. So this is the AOD and Edge lighting for your Samsung S25 Ultra. Open it. Now, once you're in it, you want to go ahead and make sure it shows on Music Overlay, AOD Music, and AOD Notification. So here you can go ahead and choose what kind of effects you can apply. So here you can see the free ones. However, if you have any star ones, they're the paid ones. So if you like this app, you can go ahead and pay for it and get all these different effects. Now, once you're happy with the effect, tap on apply and then press home. Now, when you go ahead and play music, you'll see the effect come up here on screen. So as you can see, so once I stop the music, the effect will go away. So this is great as it adds a stylish and an ambient light effect. So it works even when the screen is off and it's customizable to match your aesthetic. So there you go, guys. That is how to add the Edge music visualizer on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.